Functions. A function is a block of organized and reusable code used to perform a single or related action. Functions receive data in the form of arguments and use it to run a specified set of statements and produce the final output. Function blocks begin with the keyword def followed by the function name and parentheses. Any input parameters or arguments should be placed within these parentheses. You can also define parameters inside these parentheses. The first statement of a function can be an optional statement, the documentation string of the function or docstring. The code block within every function starts with a colon and is indented. Syntax. Program 9. To create a function to check the number is even or odd. On running the program, we get the following output.